Tongan bafurup singi ketnaba dharma loan chetnabi sing asi aikoi masel tokhai tahanaba nate aikoi masel amatani haibagi apunbagi sakta madu he na chesil hanbani Haina Manipur gi Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana Pangthokli Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel gi mapok numit ka mari leinana leibak asi sin bathung na palan tawbugum ngasi state asidasu Rashtriya Ekata Divas lising ani kunmanga National Unity Day gi palan Thouram ahanba Manipur Rifles ki parade ground Pangthokli Manipur lengak na sindu na pangthokiba Thouram aduda Manipur Legislative Assembly gi Speaker Thoktom Satyabrata yauna MLA kharasu sarukyaki civil amasung police ki makok thongba official singsu Thouram aduda sarukyaki Thouram gi manung chenna Mari Suba India Reserve Battalion IRV gi Commanding Officer Pranish Arambaina Parade Commander Contingent Tarahumdoi gi Mars Pass ki Salami Governor na Oki National Unity Day gi wasak lomi nabaga loina na aikoi gi apunba Pangal Thauna Utpa aikoi gi apunba saktam haina mingthonba dance performance amasu Government Dance College ki maikai diki utki Thouram aduda thoiba mithungna noina saruk yakiba Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana hai ningthau panba leibak chamanga hena amato oina punsinduna apunba India ama sembada Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel na lawkiba thodang ikai kumna famthoi mahak na hai Manipur da leiriba tongan furup singi marakta loan dharma amasung chanabi khetnarabasu masin aikoi masel tokhai tahanaba nate amata oibagi sakta madu ngaktuna thamnabani lambi thong mai isingi yauna state asigi ching amasung tampakta paikhatliba thabak Thouram kaya asina chingtam hena nungshinahanba amasung thong manana chawkhat minabada mateng oihengani haiki aikoi gi chanabi sing ngaktuna thamba amasung nungshi chanana leminana bahonabada ima singna lawriba thodang busu governor na singthaki
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who transformed the dream of an integrated India into a living reality, weaving together more than 500 princely states into one sovereign fabric. True to his belief that manpower without unity is not a strength unless it is harmonized and united properly, then it becomes a spiritual power. Sardar Patel's vision continues to guide our journey towards national integration and collective progress. We are bridging the gap between the hills and valleys, not only in geography, but also in shared aspirations. Initiatives such as Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission, Skill Development Programs, Manipur Organic Mission, and the Handloom and Handicraft Development Scheme are empowering our youth, supporting farmers and artisans, and promoting inclusive growth.
Is the Army contingent of 19 Garhwal Rifles, commanded by Next approaching the Assam Rifles contingent. Beside and Manipur. Next approaching is combined Manipur Rifles contingent comprising 1st MR, 2nd MR, 5th Chibadar Peter Ganglay of 3rd IRB. Next approaching is the 10th IRB contingent. The 11th IRB contingent. The 7th Police Escort Platoon, Imphal East. The 7th Police Imphal East contingent, led by Women Sub-Inspector S.B. Devi. The 9th IRB Mahila Manipur Battalion NCC contingent. Rahul Singh, following 65th Girls and also combined band platoons commanded by Jibadar L. Rajendra Singh, CRPF band led by SI Priya.